Take 9.
Taste the rainbow, which happens to be the name of this week's arrangement. Let's take a look. We've got some majestic red original love LA lilies, some lavender coloured antirrhinums, some purple alstroemeria, some textural solidago, some lemon scented waxflower, and some silvery eucalyptus cinerea. Snip an inch off the end of all your stems and use your flower food. Let's assemble this colourful rainbow. Start with your lilies facing opposite each other in the vase.
God, I've got to stop eating these.
Next, face your alstroemeria opposite each other at roughly a 60-degree angle from your lilies. And now complete the circle with your solidago. Create an even triangle with your antirrhinums a little more centrally, using the other stems for support. Pop your waxflower stems in the very centre, pulling its branches out and through your other flowers. And finish by tucking your eucalyptus evenly around the edge. Follow the yellow brick road, avoid the purple rain, and you'll end up with this colourful vision. See you next time.